Zel Punta Cana is designed as a vibrant, Mediterranean-inspired escape on the shores of the Dominican Republic's most iconic coastline. A collaboration between Meliá Hotels International and tennis legend Rafael Nadal. The resort blends laid-back Balearic style with the natural beauty and warmth of the Caribbean. The result is a destination that feels both energizing and effortlessly relaxed, a place where guests can unwind, explore, and reconnect with themselves and each other. Zel Punta Cana embraces an open-air, sun-soaked aesthetic. The architecture leans into natural textures, breezy spaces. Guest rooms and suites are designed with a modern coastal feel, light woods, soft fabrics, and plenty of natural light. Many offer private terraces, swim-up access, or ocean views. The layout encourages indoor-outdoor living, with thoughtful touches that make the space feel personal and comfortable. Zel Punta Cana leans into a lifestyle philosophy centered on movement, balance, and joy. Guests can enjoy Zel Punta Cana is ideal for travelers who want a stylish, upbeat resort with a strong sense of place. It suits couples, groups of friends, and solo travelers who appreciate design, good food, and a lively but not overwhelming atmosphere. It's also a great fit for guests who enjoy a blend of wellness, culture, and beachside relaxation. We hope you enjoyed our preview of the next vacation destination. We will visit Zel Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. Stay tuned for upcoming in-depth videos of our experience at this resort. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks for watching.